Hi Aries, the card of the week for you is the Four of Swords reversed, and this week you will be coming out of isolation after a period of solitude or mental overload, and you guys will be rejoining the world. I also see that you are slowly recovering and healing. Maybe if there was some problem in your relationship, I see that the problems are resolving and things are recovering, even same related with your work also. And I also see that if you guys will not take care of yourself this week, then again that stress or that anxiety, or if you guys will not care of your relationship or not, if you guys will not make a proper time and routine for your things, then again I see that things may get disturbed. So it's very important for you guys to take care of all the things, and also take care of yourself, take care of your relation, so that the those stress won't come back again into your life. So this is what I'm saying for you Aries. So just take care of yourself and embrace that whatever stress you had is now recovering. You guys are recovering, you guys are healing, things are recovering for you. So thank you Aries. Hi Leo. So the card of the week for you is the Tower, and I do see that this week some kind of unexpected change may happen, and I also see some kind of separation, breakup, divorce, and also if related to your career, I do see some kind of job loss. So whatever the things which may happen this week would be not so positive. I do see negative energies because the Tower card has come, and it also tells that you guys need to be very mindful for your safety this week. Like, you guys need to take care of your health, you guys need to take care of yourself. If you guys had a breakup, so you need to accept that fact. Like whatever happened in maybe in your past or maybe in your current situation which you may be facing, you guys need to accept the fact, like whatever happening in your life. So Leo, let this week pass, and then again the new week will bring a new energy and positive energies. So yes Leo, take care. Hi Sagittarius, so the card of the week for you is the High Priestess reversed, and this tells that whatever your intuition is trying to guide you is guiding you correctly, but you are not hearing it because you may be more focused on the opinions of others, or winning other people's approval than your own inner wisdom. And this card also indicates that you are neglecting your own needs to take care of others. You guys need to take the time to connect with yourself and listen to your inner voice, and trust yourself this week Sagittarius, because you have all the wisdom and knowledge that you need. So just listen to your intuition, whatever your intuition are guiding you, and just do the things according to your intuition. So this is what I am having for you Sagittarius. Thank you. Hi Aquarius, so the card of the week for you is the King of Swords, and I do see some kind of logical power, manners, honesty. And this week I see that this week you guys are using your head, mind over matter, and the head over the heart. This card also tells about logic and reason. So whatever the matter you are in, whatever the situation you are facing, whether related to your love or career, you guys are thinking very logical this week. And King of Swords is also your sign only, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. And I also see that this week you guys would not like to publicly display your emotions, and you guys would be prefer to use your intellect over your emotions to deal with any situation. As I said that this week you guys are gonna be very logical, and I do see that you guys also will be in your manners, like you guys will be following your routine. And yes, this is what I'm saying, like very logical you guys are being in this week Aquarius. So thank you Aquarius. Hi Libra, so the card of the week for you is the Queen of Wands, and I do see this week you guys will be strong, energetic, courageous, funny, also passionate, independent, and confident. And I also see that this week you guys will be doing like many tasks, like doing many tasks together and very quickly, and people will be tired just looking at you because you are like always on the go. Like people will be shocked that how you are doing so many tasks at once, and because you guys are very energetic this week. And I also see that, and sorry, I had to cut it. And I also see that this week you guys will be feeling very confident and also independence. So I only see the positivity, and you guys are on fire, and you guys will be completing your all the tasks at once, and very energetic energy. But also many of you might be get hot tempered, so be mindful with this also. And yes, this is what I'm having for you, Libra. Very energetic and passionate week for you guys, so thank you. Hi Gemini, so the card of the week for you is the Nine of Wands, and I do see some kind of ongoing battle, and maybe some recent events have left you drained of all your energy, and you are feeling like you can't go on now. But you are so close to getting what you want. You just need to gather the last of your strength and push forward, and you will be successful. This card again as I said, this card represent ongoing battles or being battle and drained of energies. And it also represent the courage, like you guys will be very courageous, and you guys are having a lot of strength to fight the battle. And I also see that you guys need to gather your strength and learn from the past failures, and just fight your battle. You guys are feeling or will be feeling very wounded, guarded, and like being in a trouble. So just know that you are very close to success, and don't give up. Like don't give up this week. You are very close to your success, whatever the battle, whatever the challenges you are facing right now. So thank you. Hi Taurus, so the card of the week for you is the World, and I do see some kind of success, achievement, travel. And this week I do see you will be getting a lot of opportunities if related to your career. And I also see that a new cycle of your life is gonna start, and as you have learned from your past failure, and you have like learned a lot what you have to do and how you have to do, and you have got a lesson from your past, and that cycle is now getting closed, and a new cycle is getting started. If you are looking for your health, then I do see your health will start to recover. If you are looking for the related to your career, your finances, jobs, I do see all the positivity in that also. If you are thinking about your relationship, and then I again see that there are high possibility of security and commitment in your current relationship. So this is what I'm saying. And if you are single, and you had a breakup or some kind of separation, some arguments, whatever thing had happened in your past, I do see things are getting recovered, and a new cycle is going to start in your life. So this is what I'm having for you, Taurus. Thank you. Hi Capricorn, so the card of the week for you is the Ten of Wands, and I do see that many of you are feeling or will be feeling in this week very overburdened with lots of problems and responsibilities, and you guys will be feeling stressed. And this card also indicates that you have a huge weight on your shoulders, and you are feeling obligated and restricted. This card also tells that many of you will feel like you guys are being taken for granted. And this card suggests that you need to focus on your strength, because I do see you guys are getting distracted because of your uh, these struggles. You are losing focus, and I also see some kind of delays also regarding your work or any situation. So the suggestion I would give, that you guys need to not distract your focus. Just focus on your life, focus on yourself, and don't let these burdens and this stress overburden you. And yes, just release this stress, and things will be all right. Just focus on yourself only. So thank you, Capricorn. Hi Virgo, so the card of the week for you is the Ten of Pentacles, and I do see some kind of achievement, happiness, and unexpected financial gains. If you guys are looking for a job, I do see some opportunities getting close to you. If you are already in your job, I do see things are in a positive way. If you are looking for a relationship and love, I do see things are getting very your relationships are getting very in deeper commitment, and there will be lots of love and commitment, security and stability. And I also see you guys will be feeling very happy this week. You guys will be enjoying your family time as well. So this is what I'm seeing for you, Virgo. Like, this week everything is very positive and happiness all around for you. So thank you, Virgo. Hi Cancer, so the card of the week, the card of the week for you is the Ten of Cups. And this card tells me that this week you guys will be feeling very happy, and I also see you guys will be enjoying your family time. And I do see some kind of positivity in your love and relationship, as well as in your career. Whatever you guys are wishing for, whatever you guys are longing for, I do see those things getting fulfilled. Your wishes are getting fulfilled. You guys will be feeling very happy. You guys are spending your family time. It's a happy week for you, Cancer. And yes, you guys are feeling very lovable within yourself as well. So thank you. Hi Scorpio, so the card of the week for you is the Page of Cups, and I do see there is someone in your life who has crush on you, or maybe you have crush on someone. If you are looking for a career and for a job, I do see some kind of news you might get, some kind of offer you might get. And I do see some kind of offer coming your way, some kind of news, maybe in telephonic or email or text. But you will get some news, get some positive message, maybe from your loved ones, maybe from your friend, maybe from related to your work. There is some kind of positive message which you might get this week. And I also feel that this week you guys will be feeling very very loving, and there's a lot of love and emotions. And yes, you guys are happy this week. So this is what I'm saying for you, Scorpio. So have a loving week. Thank you. Hi Pisces, so the card of the week for you is the Hangman, and this card tells that this week I do see there is some kind of situation that you're not happy with. You may be feeling like you are stuck or you are trapped, and some kind of thing which is running on your mind, and that thing is making you unhappy. So you need to release that negative thing. There will be some kind of negative thing going on your mind, which will make you feel unhappy, which will make you feel stuck, which will make you feel trapped. So you need to release those negative things which are running on your mind, and give yourself time to just relax and stop trying to control things, and just let them be. And I would say that don't be unsure, because as I said, whatever the situation will be, you will be feeling stuck, and if you guys will be feeling stuck, you guys will be feeling unsure too. So don't be unsure, just relax this week and let things happen naturally. And I also feel that you might get some kind of message from the person, maybe from your past. It could be your ex, it could be your some old friend, or there is someone who might uh, who might text you or who might call you this week, I feel. So thank you, Pisces.